What's up, guys? Well, if you're watching this, you already know that I got a buck this year, so I got a nice 8-point. So unfortunately, I didn't get it on video, but I'm back home. We're just gonna go over check the farm out today. We've had problems on this day in the past with trespassers, so I'm just gonna dig around a little bit. If we see a doe, I might take a poke at her, but more just see if there's any nice young buck moving around up there that made it through rifle season so far. Yeah, like I said again, sorry I couldn't get that buck on video. There will be a storyline with it, lots of trail cam pictures of him, nice 3.5-year-old 8-point. But for only a couple days of hunting, I was happy with it. So we're going to go out today, we're going to give her a poke, give her the old college try and see if we can see anything. Alright, see ya. Hey guys, we just got set up, and I'm overlooking this bottom here, and it's a big, thick, nasty bottom, but the main reason I'm up here is I can see the property lines. So if somebody tries to do something stupid and come down here, we can tell them to go kick dirt and get off. But I'm back here because if guys push anything from the farm above me, they're going to come through this valley to get up onto the hill. So it's a big, thick, nasty bottom down there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's all sorts of crap there and then there. So we're expecting deer, if they could push, to come down through there or come down through this seam line and head down that way. But like I said, it's almost more about making sure there's nobody up here than hunt deer today. If we see a nice doe and she's by herself, or with a couple other doe, we'll go ahead and maybe blast her, but she's with a buck, we're gonna let her go today. So we've extended firearm season down here for antlerless deer after Christmas, so I'm not too concerned. But hopefully we'll be able to see something. Hopefully nobody's trespassing this morning. So Dad's walking around up top doing the border check up top, so that's all you can do. Because they're probably going to be down here in the morning.
We're going after this stuff, I think. Look at this chute. I don't know what it is, but that's a chute. See it?
Yeah. Maybe it's like that swamp cabbage stuff.
Yeah. When it's little like that, they like it.
Yeah. Because that's definitely gnawing on it.
Yeah, they're chewing on it. Whatever it is. They like it.
Alright, it's like 4:30. Forgot my gloves. Freeze my balls off. Don't have buck tag. So I'm basically sitting out here for a doe. you can see that. It's chilly. I'm all bundled up. I wasn't gonna blast anything, but if a doe comes out and starts blowing at me or something, that's gonna be the last mistake she makes. As long as I can pull the trigger. Except for out in gloves. My phone died. Kind of. It's like, it'll turn on and stay on for like 2 seconds because it's cold. I'm sure, like, yeah. Here's my rifle. It's a 7mm08 Weatherby Vanguard. I don't know if you can see through there, but loophole scope on her. So she works. She's a great deer rifle. So I did not get my buck with that rifle though. I got my buck with my dad's 30-06. So that's that would be like, if you were gonna put a list of top 10 deer rifles ever created, my dad's is a Remington 700 30-06. Sorry if I'm looking that way. I'm still looking up on the hill, so if there's anything up there I can shoot. But yeah, my dad's is a Remington model 700 30-06. So yeah, probably like one of the most iconic deer rifles ever created. So I'm sitting like, I got this little goldenrod as back cover, little side cover there. I was gonna sit in there, but it seemed like a lot of work for a doe, so I was like, nah. I was like, I'll just sit here. There was one gunshot over the hill. It's quiet this morning, so tomorrow's the last day of gun season, thank the Lord. So, and it's late season, but I mean, we have late rifle, late for doe in this unit, in this county. So yeah. That's a pretty nice sized doe. I'd blast that doe. I don't know how the hell they got by me. No, wait. What are we doing? No. We're losing light. That's what. Oh, she's toast. Well, just here really at last light, we had a couple doe make their way through. Looked like maybe a 2-year-old and the fawn, so I thought if the 2-year-old gave me a shot, a little 2-year-old doe, I was gonna poke at her, but nah, you know, she didn't. She worked the skyline, so no cleanup duty for me tonight.